If you have not been a Creative Pro, you gotta come.
I get to meet a lot of really interesting people. It's a big creative environment for me, and it's very inspiring to meet people that are not in my industry.
CreativePro keeps me current because when there's new things in, like there is every day with these programs, I know how to use them instead of them just showing up.
People that come here are very like-minded, they're very open, very curious, and we all love designing stuff and making cool things.
Professionals that not only talk the theory, right? This is what they use. This is what makes their workflow faster.
You're networking not with just the participants, but you're networking with all of the speakers. Everybody is down to earth.
If you want to take your skills, your workflow to the next level, you have to attend Creative Pro Week.